Hello students, today we will learn about this program, this 5 programs. First program is to input two numbers and find their sum and product. So we will move to a Python shell. So first, as a comment that is ignored by your interpreter, you can write here. Question is, we have to calculate sum and product of two numbers. Now, number 1 is equal to int input enter number 1. Number 2. Num2 is user defined variable name. This can be any name. Now I have to calculate sum. Sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Now I have to calculate product also. Product is equal to num1 into num2. Since this is a keyword, you can see the color. So I shall write it sum1. Now print this. Print sum of two numbers from sum. Print product of two numbers product. So now I will save the program. You can see this is an interactive window. You will write here number 1, suppose it is 34, and second number is suppose 10. This is your sum and this is your product. Now how will you write in your notebook? First you will write this coding. You will write coding in your notebook. This way you can adjust your window size. You will write this coding in your notebook and then you will write this output. You will write this output in your notebook. First you will write coding, you will give the heading coding and you will write all this, then you will write output and then you will write all this. This is your first program. Your second program is swap. You have to again enter two numbers, but now you will swap. Swap two numbers. Numbers are going to swap means I shall explain. Suppose num1 is 5 and num2 is 6. After swapping, it should be num1 should be 6 and num2 should be 5. This is swapping. Num1 should be 6 and num2 should be 5. Now how will you do this? Now suppose I declare num3 and in num3 I say num3 is equal to num1. That means num3 value will go into num1. Then I will say num1 is equal to num2. Now my num2 value has come in num1 and now my num2 is equal to num3, which was actually num1. So my value has been swapped. Now I can print. Num1 comma num1, print num2, comma num2. I will save it with Control S. With F5 I will run it. I will enter number 1. Suppose it is 9. Num2 suppose it is 2. You can see num2 has become num1 and num1 has become num2. This is swap. So this is swapping. Now my third program is accept 5 subject marks and calculate the total and percentage. Okay. Enter marks of 5 subjects, calculate total and percentage. Now suppose first is English. And next is your maths. Next is your science. Next suppose Hindi. Next your computer. So this we are going 5 subject marks. Now we calculate total is equal to English plus maths plus science plus Hindi plus computer. Then percentage will be equal to total. We suppose this are marks out of 100 each subject into 100. You can do like this, or 0 and 0 you can cut and you can write total of the 5. That is up to you. Now print total marks and percentage. Save it and run it. You will enter marks for English 69. And run it again. Run. English 65. The problem here, English, input English marks. 34. I was pressing some wrong key, that's why it was giving error. 34, and then 67, then 45, then 78, then 99. This is how you can enter. This is your total marks and this is your percentage. So this can calculate marks and percentage. Now last question is to second last to calculate selling price of an item. Selling price of an item. That means you need cost price and profit. You will enter cost price, because it is CP. Cost price, enter cost pricing, enter cost price. Then your selling price, no profit, selling price you have to calculate, profit, your profit. So selling price will be cost price plus your profit. Cost price plus your profit will be your selling price. Print selling price, you will save it and you will run it. I had mentioned comment here. If you want to mention, you can mention your comment starting with hash symbol. Calculate selling price. Now we will save it and we will run it. Cost price is suppose 10 rupees. Profit is suppose 5 rupees. So selling price will be 10 rupees. Now last question is to calculate area of scale. For area of scale you need side. Then you write side. Then the side and your area will be side into side. Side into side. Area of sphere. This is side you have entered, then you have done calculation. Area is equal to side into side. Print area of sphere is the not side, it should come here area. Enter side, suppose side is 7. 7 to 7, 49. 7 to 7, 49. This is the area of sphere. So this is all about today. Thank you, students.